In this video, we will discuss about the biological importance of water as well as properties of water. As you know that water is essential for life, and simply water is the name of life. There is no existence of life without water, and all the living organism is created by the Almighty Allah from water. The bodies of living organism contain 70% to 90% of water. It is essential for existence of protoplasm because protoplasm cannot survive if its water content is reduced as low as 10%. The chemical formula of water is H2O while the chemical name of water is dihydrogen monoxide. So water is a molecule made up of two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. The hydrogen atom have a slightly positive charge and the oxygen atom have a slightly negative charge. You can see the structures here that hydrogen is a smaller atom while oxygen is a larger atom. Polarity of water. The polar molecule, a molecule that has one side that is more negative than the other. The oxygen atom is more negative than the hydrogen atom. So partial positive charge is present on hydrogen atom and partial negative charge is present on a oxygen atom. So more negative charges is present in oxygen atom and more positive charge is present on a hydrogen atom. The molecule having positive as well as negative charge, they are known as polar molecule. So water is a polar molecule. The oxygen end of the molecule is electronegative, bearing a partial negative charge, and the hydrogen end is electropositive, bearing a partial positive charge. What are the atoms that make up a water molecule? One oxygen atom when combined with two hydrogen atoms, it forms water molecule. Which type of bond hold the atom together, or we can say which type of bond is present in water molecule? So covalent bond, because the atom share electron, then such type of bond is known as covalent bond. What does polarity mean? Polar molecule, a molecule that has one side that is more negative than the other is known as a polar molecule. These are various properties of water: polar molecule, cohesion, adhesion, high specific heat, high heat of vaporization, density greatest at 4 degrees centigrade, or we can say anomalous behavior of water, universal solvent, neutral pH, and ionization of water. So water has a variety of unusual properties because of attraction between these polar molecules. The slightly negative region of one molecule are attracted to the slightly positive region of the nearby molecule, forming a hydrogen bond. You can see here in the diagram that this is a water molecule, and their positive as well as negative charge they attract with other molecule and hydrogen bond is produced. So each water molecule can form hydrogen bond with up to 4 neighbors. Hydrogen bond hold water molecule together. The hydrogen bond join water molecule are weak about 120th as strong as covalent bond. They form break and reform with great frequency. Extraordinary properties that are a result of hydrogen bond cohesive behavior, resist changes in temperature, high heat of vaporization, expand when it freezes, versatile solvent. Organism depends on cohesion. Cohesion means force of attraction between like molecule. Between one water molecule with other water molecule, this force of attraction between like molecule is called cohesion. So hydrogen bond hold the substances together, a phenomena called cohesion. Cohesion is responsible for the transport of the water column in plants. Cohesion among water molecules play a key role in the transport of water against gravity in plants. You can see a taller plant in which without electric motor, the water from the root region they will rise up to the upper leaf region without electric motor due to the hydrogen bonding and due to the cohesion. So adhesion, clinging of one substance to another. Adhesion means the force of attraction between dislike molecule, between the water as well as a xylem vessel. This force of attraction between dislike molecule is known as adhesion. So water adhere to the walls of the vessels. Surface tension. A measure of the force necessary to stretch or break the surface of a liquid is related to cohesion. Water has a greater surface tension than most other liquid because hydrogen bonds among surface water molecules resist stretching or breaking the surface. So some animal can stand, walk or run on water without breaking the surface. You can see here in the diagram that water skiter, they easily move on the surface of water without breaking the water column. Moderate temperature on Earth. Temperature is the measurement of the movement of atom or molecule. As water temperature increases, hydrogen bond begin to break. As water temperature cool, hydrogen bonds form more readily. Specific heat. The amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius is known as a specific heat. Why is this important? Prevention of temperature changes that are outside the range suitable for life. Coastal area having a mild climate. Evaporative cooling. The cooling of a surface occurs when the liquid evaporates. This is responsible for moderating Earth climate, stabilize temperature in aquatic ecosystem, preventing organism from overheating. Density of water. Water most dense at 4 degrees centigrade, contracts until 4 degrees centigrade, expand from 4 degrees centigrade to 0 degrees centigrade. And this properties of the water is known as anomalous behavior. Why this is important? Prevent lakes from totally freezing so aquatic animal can live. Ice form on the surface first. The freezing of the water release heat to the water below, creating insolation. So various types of aquatic animal they live easily. Act as a hunting ground for some organism. Universal solvent. Because of water polarity, many compounds dissolve in water. Why this is important? Most biological function involves solute dissolve in water. We need to get stuff in our cells. Due to polar nature of water, it dissolves almost all types of polar substances and is therefore regarded as universal solvent. This facilitates chemical reaction both inside and outside the living cell. And it provides a medium for most chemical reaction takes place within the living organism as well as in the cell. Neutral pH. pH scale measures the degree of acidity 0 to 14. Water has a pH around 7. Why this is important? Most biological function takes place in a neutral pH, nor acidic nor basic. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and watch. Thank you.